Welcome back all of you. In this tutorial we are going to find the value of x from this given algebraic equation. So let's have a look at the equation first. Square root of 199 divided by 995 whole power x is equal to 1 over 25. We are going to find the value of x. So let's see how we can do it. We have square root of 199 divided by 995 whole power x. We are going to simplify this big number. 199 times 1 is 199 and 5 times 199 is 995 is equal to right hand side as it is. Now we have square root of 1 over 5 whole power x is equal to 1 over 25 can be written as 5 to the power 2. 5 times 5 is 25. In the next step, we are going to write the value of this square root, that is 1 over 2, and this whole power x is equal to 1 over 5 to the power 2. Here we are going to use power of a power rule, that is the rule of exponent, that says if a to the power x to the power y, then this is nothing but a to the power xy, means we can multiply the power of power. So we are going to multiply these two powers. 1 over 5, 1 time x is x over 2 is equal to 1 over 5 to the power 2. Now look, we can write this 1 as 1 to the power 2 because 1 to the power 2 is again equal to 1. So we can write it as 1 to the power 2. And here we are going to use another rule that says if a to the power x over b to the power x, then we can write it as a over b whole power x because they both have the same power. So 1 over 5 to the power x over 2, and this right hand side can be written as 1 over 5 whole power 2. As bases are same and equal, 1 over 5, 1 over 5, so this will be cancelled out. We have x over 2 is equal to 2. As we have to find the value of x in this question, so this is equal to 1, and by cross multiplication 1 times x is x and 2 times 2 is 4. X is equal to 4 is the required answer that is asked in this question. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye till the next time.